Howdy, it's Jim Arado, and this is middle of December 2023. We're in Norwood, Ohio. Actually, this is an area that I think of as Cincinnati. Pretty much what I think of as right in Cincinnati. And we're at the Factory 52, which is I think they call it a lifestyle center. By the way, check this thing out. This is a cool sculpture, and those are playing cards. If you look really closely, it's a lifestyle center, kind of an outdoor mallsy kind of place. Is the way I think of it, and it's where it's an old playing card company. Norwood's United States Playing Card Company factory was at this spot, I guess, some time ago, and they're trying to repurpose it now. As you'll see, they are doing a lot of work. We passed a lot of guys, obviously doing stuff to this place, and yeah, they've got mostly restaurants here and apartments. Here was a cool little independent brewery place. Highwire Brewing out of I think Asheville, North Carolina, and they've got this location. And this place was great, by the way. They were really friendly, and we stopped by and we just liked what they were doing. They had Santa there on this particular day, and he was taking pictures, mostly with animals. And anyway, they were really friendly. Before they opened, they saw us peeking in their windows, and they kind of opened the door for us and chatted with us. And you don't see that often. Most people would have just politely ignored us, but they were very friendly. So stop by there, and we had lunch in a really cool kind of food court area, I guess you might call it. Obviously, they're embracing their past. They've got all these cool playing card decorations. They do have some shops, a little boutique. I think that was like a kind of a kid, maybe like a little baby store. Little play areas. There's a dog park back there that I did not film. And they've got this kind of indoor, just a big area with lots of different food options. And I believe they were all independent, or I didn't see the standard. I don't want to name any of them, but I didn't see the standard mall pizza or Chinese type places. Everything was kind of unique. Had this bar area down there. Just a cool place with a cool vibe. It wasn't overran. We, as you can tell, it's not horribly crowded. But get down there now, because I feel like this place could really pop into something soon. We were there with some friends from Cincinnati who thought we would like this place. We all had some different food items, and we all had food to take home. I had some barbecue, kind of buffalo wing cauliflower, which I like. It's just a personal. I'm not a vegetarian or anything, but I just like it. And there was a place, I forget the name of it, but they had some, and it was great. I got 4 pieces, which was plenty. Really cool coffee shop right there too, by the way. I think that's is it Fulton Yards? Yeah, that's Fulton Yards Coffee House and Spirits, and they're kind of going for an Ohio River theme there with the steamship. Pretty cool place. I like this, and they had good coffee. Great staff. I liked their logo. I liked what they were doing here, and of course it's you can get coffee or you can get a real drink. So I had some nice coffee while I was there, and I like the fact that we could go and have a nice lunch, and then stop by and have some nice coffee. So this was a good location, and again, that food court and the food options. There were 3 or 4 places that looked just incredible to us that we passed on, just because there were so many options. And like I said, they're building this place up, so I'll be curious to go back here in a few months and just see what they've done, because I think this is going to be something spectacular once they get it going. And we did a quick drive around and just check the place out. Yeah, you can see where they're doing more. So yeah, what do you know about this place? Do you live in that area? Let me know what we missed, And let me know what else is in this neck of the woods. I just we enjoyed walking around, and I thought it was pretty cool that it's an old playing card factory. So yeah, let me know what I missed if you're in this area.